Well, here we are. The obvious original, poorly marked for its location. So here's my original one. Listen careful. Tell me if this sounds good. And I realize that I'm rotating this backwards, so don't worry about that. Yeah, that's what's known in the business as bad bearing. I guess if I want to do it right, I should pull this off, right? Yep. So it's always fun to get apart and be like, well, there's your problem. I mean, it's probably not the only problem, but already? Yep, look at that. Wowzers. So anyway, let's hear this one again. Yeah, I tell you, that one's junk. Actually, I want to see. Let's look at the play on this one. Well, I hope that's not indicative of the rest of the inside of the engine, but I guess we will find out. I just missed a deal on a huge heap and bunch of stuff. But you know, there are more engines out there. We shall see. But that's a great first start, and I'm delighted that this thing is bad because it justifies the whole, everything that I did. Doesn't feel real. I'm not feeling real about this.
About what?
About the fact that the car does this.
Oh, no, here we go.
I need to adjust the timing, but it lives. Come on, let's go. The timing's a little not where it's supposed to be. Timing's probably a little backwards supposed to be because it's trying to run backwards, and I don't know that I have my carburetor set up at all correctly. Okay. And then actually, if you wouldn't mind, when I tell you, if I keep it running, run to the back and see how much like smoke she's putting out. Are you ready? Are you filming?
Mm-hmm.
So, there you go. I've had a few moments in my life where you replace the bad thing and then all of a sudden you get the kaboom. But it's been a long time since I've had a, well, there's your problem. And she didn't even smoke. She wasn't even really smoking. Power's making it through the transmission. I mean, by just, gluing along, but she runs. So now, okay, that changes my equation. I know she runs. I'm getting some valve noise that's gonna have to be adjusted. Now I'm gonna put the radiator in. I'm gonna do the whole coolant system so that then I can start to run and adjust. She runs if I richen up the mixture. These carbs are totally rebuilt, but I've never set them up because I don't know how. But I have to richen up the mixture and make sure that I'm not, dealing with any kind of like, I don't know, vacuum leaks or anything else like that. But she advanced okay. I just got to get the timing right, but it doesn't feel real. I can't believe it. Maybe it'll hit me later. But I mean, she's Now it's like literally full speed ahead. Now she's a car. Oh my God, that's crazy. Okay, that's the end of this video.